Assalamualaikum Senior 2. I hope you all are doing fine. Class, we are doing our chapter Mining and Power, which is from your geography portion. In our last lecture, students, we completed the fill in the blanks and true false of this chapter. I hope you all watched that video and learned those questions as well. So now move forward and see the question answers of your topic Mining and Power from your notes. So let's start and see the question number 1. What is mining? The answer is mining is a process of extraction. Extraction means निकालना of valuables. Valuables means कीमती चीज़ें like gold and diamond from the earth. यानी ज़मीन के नीचे से कीमती चीज़ें जिस तरह सोना या हीरे वगैरह निकालने के अमल को हम क्या कहते हैं? माइनिंग, यानी कानकुनी करना या काने खोदना. Question number 2. Name the two types of minerals. The answer is two types of minerals are number 1 metallic minerals, number 2 non-metallic minerals. Do you remember class? Minerals are used in industries in order to make different new products. Let's see the example of these types. So what are metallic minerals? Metallic minerals are those minerals which can be used in raw form in order to make new product, whereas non-metallic minerals are those minerals which can't be used in raw form, rather they are used as raw material in order to make new product in the industries. So let's see the example of these types. Metallic minerals. The first one is the picture of chromite. Class, chromite is used to harden steel, which is utilized to construct bridges, and this is also used in order to make stainless steel. The second one is the picture of the gold, and third one is of copper, which is used to make the water pipes and different electrical appliances. Okay, now move forward and see the examples of non-metallic minerals. The first one is coal. Second one is rock salt. Rock salt means the salt which is found in the hard form, and after grinding it, this salt is used in cooking. And the last one is the picture of gypsum. And do you know class, gypsum is used in making different kinds of things, for example paints and cement. Now class, see the question number 3. What is drill mining? The answer is drill mining is a process of mining in which hole is drilled in the ground to extract minerals. यानी माइनिंग का वो प्रोसेस है जिसमें ज़मीन के नीचे सुराख करके उसके अंदर से डिफरेंट मिनरल्स निकाले जाते हैं. See this picture class. In this picture you can see that a miner used drill machine in order to make a hole in the ground to extract different minerals from deep inside the ground of our earth. Okay class. Now see the last question. Question number 4. Where do we use white gypsum? यानी हम वाइट कलर का जिप्सम कहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं? The answer is we use white gypsum to make cement. यानी वाइट जिप्सम, वाइट कलर का जिप्सम जो स्टोन है वो हम यूज़ करते हैं सीमेंट बनाने के लिए. So okay class, these were the question answers of this topic. I hope you all get it. After these question answers, this chapter is complete now. So class, learn all the questions properly from your notes. We will see our next chapter in our next lecture, inshallah. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Take care.